Right, next week, or this coming week, in Year 3, we're going to be looking at multiplication, and specifically a method called the grid method for multiplying larger numbers. So here's a typical problem: 5 times 23, and what we know is 5 times 23 is the same as 5 times 20 and 5 times 3, because I partitioned the 23 into a 20 and a 3. So if I do those two separately, and then I work out the answer and add them up, it will give me this. So let's see, 5 times 20, well 5 times 2 is 10, times that by 10, then you get 100. 5 times 3 is 15, so the answer is, if I add 100 plus 15, it is 115. And the method we are teaching is, instead of doing it this way, you can write it like this: 5, and I'm going to put that in, if you like, a box here, and I'm just going to partition my numbers at the top here: 20 and 3, because it's 23. And I can write in my answers: 5 times 2 is 10, times it by 10 is 100, 5 times 3 is 15, and then I'll just make a note: 100 plus 15 equals 115. The reason why we do it like this and not this way, which gives you the same answer, is because we will be moving towards the end of the year anyway, everybody onto doing 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. Now again, I've picked numbers which children should be familiar with those times tables of, so I haven't done 87 times 60, 66. I've kept it as a 1 times table, 5 times table, 2 times table and 3 times table. So here we have got a 2-digit number to start with, and I can partition this into a 10 and a 5, and here I've got a 20 and a 3, so I have to draw this out a little bit more differently. I can still have my 20 and my 3 at the top, 20 and a 3, but on this side I have a 10 and a 5. So I'll put a 10 here and a 5 here. And now I will have 4 boxes to times out and then add together. So 10 times 20, well, I know how to times any number by 10, so that'll be 200. 10 times 3 is 30. 20 times 5, well, I did that already up here, it's 100. And 5 times 15, sorry, 5 times 3 equals 15. So if I add up all 4 of these now, we have 200 plus 100, that's 300. And then I have a 30 and a 5, that's 45. 30 plus 15 equals 45. So if I add my 300 and my 45, I get 345, which is the answer of 15 times 23.